Thinking of taking a break from Facebook? Here's how to deactivate your account the right way. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're in, tap the menu icon in the bottom right corner. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Now tap on Account Center near the top. Under your account settings, choose Personal Details. Next, tap Account Ownership and Control, then select Deactivation or Deletion. Choose the Facebook account you want to manage. You'll now see 2 options, one to deactivate your account temporarily and one to delete it permanently. If you're just stepping away for a bit, select Deactivate Account, then tap Continue. You'll be asked to enter your Facebook password to confirm it's you. Go ahead and type it in, then tap Continue. Choose a reason for deactivating. Facebook might offer suggestions based on your selection. If you're still set on deactivating, tap Continue again. You'll then get the option to automatically reactivate your account after 1 to 7 days, or to leave it deactivated until you manually log back in. Make your selection and tap Continue. Finally, tap Deactivate My Account to complete the process. Your account will now be hidden, but you can reactivate anytime just by logging back in. If you selected Permanent Deletion, you'll have 30 days to cancel before everything is permanently erased. If this tutorial helped, give it a like and consider subscribing for more easy-to-follow tech guides. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.